Yes, I welcome you to today's class, and to all my graphic students. I want to appreciate you for always watching my videos, every of my posts, and also learning from them as well. Today we shall be talking about mock-up designs. Although as a graphic designer, you need to know how to set up your mock-up, how to present your designs to your clients, and the essence of mock-up is to tell your client or let your client know how the outcome of your design is going to look at the end of the day. So what is mockup? Mockup is a static representation of a product showing users, your clients, and your stakeholder how your final design template is going to be used or look like. So as my student, I will like you to listen to how and what you need to do to come up with a good mock-up system for you to present your good graphic illustration to your client. So in this mock-up class, I think it's going to take us more than 2 to 3 lectures to get to the end of it all, because it's a wide topic. So it's going to be a series for you guys. So I want you to always come to my class, listen, and watch my videos whenever I drop them. So if you're just joining my channel for the first time, please don't hesitate to click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button. It's allow the system to notify you once I drop any new videos for you guys. So guys, let's go to the practical aspects of mock-up designs and templates.
All right, welcome to the practical aspect of the mock-up system or template that I want to talk about. I would like you guys to listen attentively to today's lecture. It's going to benefit you as a graphic designer. So in our last class, if you can still remember, I taught you guys on how to make a book publishing. I believe you guys have watched it over and over again to learn more and to also practice in your own jurisdiction and whenever you have the chance to do that. Now I'm talking about mock-up. Mock-up is just a way of presenting your graphical illustration to your clients and to tell them the endpoint of it, how it's going to look like, how it's going to come out. So let's assume this is what our client has already told us to do. This is just a 3-fold flyer in A4 size, 3-fold flyer in A4 size. So as a graphic designer, it is really not proper to forward your designs in this form if you really know what you are doing. So this is the reason why I'm going to use this as my first series to teach you how to do a mock-up of 3-folded flyer. Now I have put in my mock-up my mock-up template, but before you do, I will assume you are a novice in this aspect. So how do you get your mock-up? How do you come up with a good template, or how do you search for a good mock-up? So this is what you need to do as a graphic designer. And if you have been following my series of teaching, I told you on how to get I told you guys to be familiar with your Google search, and that is where we are going this time around to get our mock-up template. Now what you need to do is go to your Google. Go to Google, then type 3-folded flyer free mock-up. So it's going to bring out series of designs for you to choose. Okay, it's going to do that. So once you get to this aspect, these are basically the templates in what we call bitmap form or picture form. So you make sure you go to all, or you select all. So once you select all, it's going to bring out a template that will enable you to download the template itself. So I will advise you to click on free pick site. So click on it, you hold on for a while, then it will come up this way. All right, so once it comes up, you see wherever you see this little gold crown, whenever you see it, it shows that you are going to pay for this. So, and you're going to get a very good what is it called, a very good template and sharp template for your presentation. But if you don't have much, or you're just starting, you can click all this one that has no crown, this gold crown. You can click them if they represent your graphic template. So what I will just do here is to click on, let me click on this. Okay, so once you get to this side, so what you need to do next is download. You click on download. Once you did that, it will come up with this. You go down and click it again, download. So it has downloaded. All right, okay, I don't think this is a PS, I think this is a AI format. So let's go and check for another one. It has to be PS, which is Photoshop. All right, so let's go, let's choose another one. All right, let's download. Go back, click it the second time. So it has downloaded. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, I think it is still the same. We still need to go back. All right, we need a Photoshop template. Okay, we need a Photoshop template. So you may not know the Photoshop template until it's been downloaded. So let's see. Let's go further. Okay, let's go further and see if we can get a nice one that will enable us to, get for free. Okay. All right. In order not to waste our time, I think that is basically how you can download your template, your mockup template. Okay. Let's see if this will go. Okay. Let's hold on for a while. Okay. All right. This is a Photoshop template. Now, what you need to do after you must have come this far, you double click on this PS, double click on it. So you hold on for it to open in Photoshop. So once it opens in Photoshop, while it's opening, rather, you go back to your design. Make sure you export all this. Make sure you export them accordingly. So I'm going to teach you that how to do the exportation. So when it comes, it's going to ask you this question. You click on keep layers. So you hold on while it processes. All right, click OK. Okay, this is the template. Click yes. Okay, so what you need to do next is this. I think it's still processing. So you hold on for a while. Okay. 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 All right. So I've gotten a lot of bits in my system, so I'm trying to quickly do this in order not to waste much of our time. Okay, So basically, that is how you can download whatever template that you want. So once that is done, then make sure this is the template. Okay, so we have here 3 fold clause. Okay, this is the first one. So what you need to do is just to get the front. All right, click on this, go to this aspect, make sure where they wrote your design here, click on this very space. Okay, double click on it. So once you do that, you click OK. So it's going to come up with this. Then you go to your Coreldraw. Then this is the front. This is the front template. Export it. Okay. Export it. All right. Export is Control E. Then you name it. Let me say 1. All right. You name it. It's still processing. Click OK. While it's still processing. So I think the next one is you click all again, and in the inner. Okay, let's look at the inner. You click it, then Control E, export. Let's say this is 2. No. All right. Export. Then you click OK. Once it's finished rolling, you click OK. All right. Okay. Then go to your Photoshop. Go to File. Click Open. Then you locate 1 or the name you use in saving. All right. So once it's finished uploading, then you drag it to this space. Okay. All right. Then you adjust it. All right. Then adjust it. All right. Then you click this pass mark. Click. Then you click on Control S, save. So once you do that, this is the front aspect of it. Then the inner aspect, okay? The inner aspect, which is this, all right? Then you click on this triangle, come over here, click on this space, double click on it, click OK. Then you go to Open on your Photoshop, locate it, 2, all right? Then you drag and take it to this space. All right. So you make sure you adjust it appropriately. Okay. You adjust it, and that is it. Click on the pass mark, then click on Control S. All right. Then go to this is it. So how do you take it back to your Coreldraw? You click on Save As. Okay, or Control F, alternate FA. Then you locate from here where they wrote Photoshop, you change it to PNG, then you change the location where you want it to be saved. Documents, then you name it, maybe 3. All right. Okay. So once it's finished, you go back to your Coreldraw, then you upload it. It's still processing. I think that is basically how you can do your mockup and make it look presentable. So it's going to be a series. And after this slide, I'm going to come up. I'm going to do a roll-up banner. I'm going to do billboard. I'm going to do business card. We're going to do paper bag. We're going to do folders. We're going to do books and lots of mockups that you can use to represent your design template. I will also advise you, if you're just joining me for the first time, encourage me by clicking on the subscribe button, subscribe if you're just coming or you're just joining me for the first time, and make sure you always click on like whenever you watch my tutorials. Please, I'm begging you for this, always click on the like button. It also encourages me more to come up with different type of teachings and for you to learn. So guys, once it is done, you go to your Coreldraw, then you import it. Import. Click on import. Okay. We save it with what? What do we save it with? I think it's 3. All right. So then import it. So this is your mockup presentation. And this is how you can send it to your client, and the job or your project will be approved. Thank you for joining my class. God bless you.